Now that you've learned how to bring the clips into your iMovie navigation bar, let's talk about editing the clips. So one thing that you may want to do is change the order. So for example, if this clip, my second clip right here, was in the wrong place, I could just hold down on it, make sure that the yellow grab handles were around it, and move it to the location of where I want it to be. And then just drop it there. And I can do that with any of the clips that I wanted if I wanted to move them. Let's say if we wanted to shorten a clip. This clip right here that I have, the second clip, this is pretty long. I don't think that people really need to see this for that long, so I might decide that I want to cut out the end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play it, and I'm going to try to decide where do I want to cut it. And once I decide where I want to cut it, I'm going to pause it so that I make sure that the split bar is located. That white bar is called, I call it the split bar, is located where I want to split the clip. So once that bar is set, I tap on the clip, and you'll notice on the bottom right side there's a pair of scissors that pops up, and on the bottom right side you have a couple options here, and the first one is to split. So when I then tap on split, you'll notice that it's now cut it into two pieces. I have my original piece, and I have the first part and the second part. So together they're all still there, but just cut in two pieces. But if I did want to get rid of that second piece, I would tap on it, and over on the bottom right side, press delete, and then it's gone. You can always do undo right here. There's that little undo button. So if I said, oh, I didn't want to do that, you can go back and undo. So I'm going to re-delete that. And now let's say, I really love this clip. I want to have that at the beginning and the end. So again, I'm going to tap on that, but this time instead of deleting it or splitting it, I'm going to actually duplicate it. So on the bottom right, I have that duplicate button. So when I hit that, I now have two clips. And I'm going to hold down on that world clip, and I'm going to drag it to another location. I want to have that also be my ending at the beginning and the end. So that's how you would delete, and that's how you would duplicate. And one other thing that I wanted to show you guys here is adding